we are diving into a comparison between ReactJS and other popular front-end technologies. So let's start by briefly defining what is the ReactJS and how it's better than other front-end technologies.
ReactJS, the JavaScript library developed by Facebook, is used for building a single-page application. Key features like virtual DOM, component-based architecture, and unidirectional data.
React virtual DOMs gives it good runtime performance by only updating unnecessary ones. The virtual DOM reduces load time and improve user experience.
I would recommend React when you want flexibility, strong community support, and you are building a complex UI design or large-scale application. It is also great if you are planning to go cross-platform with React Native.
React makes UI development more predictable with a declarative approach. Instead of telling the browser how to update the DOM, you tell React what UI should look like for a given state, and it takes care of the rest. This leads to cleaner code and fewer bugs.
React is maintained by Meta, which means it's better tested, constantly updated, and trusted by major companies like Netflix, Airbnb, and Instagram.
React apps are relatively easy to test. Its component-based structure allows for unit testing of individual parts, and tools like React DevTools help you inspect and debug your components in real time.
In summary, ReactJS is fast, modular, and backed by a strong community. It promotes clean code practices, offers high performances, and is very scalable. Whether you are working on a small startup or large enterprise product, React gives you flexibility and tools to maintain, build, and modernize UI.